Yes, as you know, soil is very important natural resource. Okay. Soil, because plants grow in the soil, as soil is very important natural resource, because plants grow in the soil, because we are all dependent on the soil for our food. Then how this soil is formed, we have already learned that how soil is formed. Soil is formed by the process of weathering. So what is weathering? How this process is done? So what happened? Big pieces of rocks, they are broken into small pieces by the heat of the sun, running water and moving air, means wind. So they break into very small pieces, they mix with the organic matter and minerals. This way soil is formed. Next we have learned the definition of soil. So what is soil? The uppermost layer of this earth that contains minerals, some amount of air, water and organic matter is called soil. Understood everyone? Then we have already learned the humus. What is humus? This is very important for the soil, because humus, you know, humus is a dark colored substance. This is made up of remains of dead plants and animals. It makes the soil very fertile because it is rich in minerals. Then we have learned the types of soil. What are the types of soil? There are three types of soil. They are sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. Three important soil. Okay. So this type of soil depends upon the kind of rock from which it is formed. Then we have learned what is sandy soil. Sandy soil, it mainly contains, what does it contain? It mainly contains this, sand mainly contains sand. It is found in desert and on seashore. It is yellow or light brown in color. It cannot hold much water, as water passes through its particles easily. It is mixed with cement and used for making construction. Then we have also learned clay soil. Clay soil means it mainly contains clay. It is found in ponds and river beds. It can hold a lot of water, as water does not pass through its particles easily. It is used for making pots, toys and kacha house. It is used for making pots, toys and kacha house. Okay. Okay. It is used for making pots, toys and kacha houses. Okay. Loamy soil, then we have seen the loamy soil. It contains sand and clay. It can hold enough air and water. It is good for growing plants as it contains humus. So it is very good for growing plants because it contains humus. Humus, it is very rich in minerals, so it is makes the soil very fertile. This thing we have learned in our previous class. Now today's topic is soil erosion. So today we learn what is soil erosion. Okay. This thing you can find on page number 34. Please refer to page number 34. Before starting soil erosion, question is, you can write this question in your science copy. You must write this question only. What is topsoil? Okay. What is topsoil? So soil has many layers. The topmost layer of the soil is called topsoil. So you will underline there, the topmost layer of the soil is called topsoil. It is most fertile layer. It is best for farming because it is rich in humus. Again the humus, the word humus comes here. You know humus is a dark colored substance. It is made up of dead remains of plants and animals. It is very rich in minerals, so it is very good for the plant growth. So the topsoil, this is very rich in humus and it is good for farming. Sometimes this topsoil is carried away by strong wind and running water. The removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind, rain and river water is called soil erosion. Yes. So another question comes here. You will write this question in your science notebook. What is soil erosion? Okay, what is soil erosion? So the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind, rain and river water is called soil erosion. You will underline this one in your book. The loss of fertile topsoil makes the land unfit for farming. Now, causes of soil erosion. Another question I can write here. Another question. What are the causes of soil erosion? Okay. This is the answer here. The main cause of soil erosion are as follows. Number 1, strong wind. Number 2, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees in large numbers. Then what is the reverse of deforestation? Means what is the opposite of deforestation? It is afforestation. Afforestation means the planting of trees in large numbers is called afforestation. Number 3 point, overgrazing. What is overgrazing? Grazing on the same area for a long time is called overgrazing. Number 4th point is heavy rain and floods. So these are the causes, main cause of soil erosion. Now we will go to the next topic. Next topic is soil conservation. Soil conservation. Okay. Soil conservation. You can find this on page number 35. Okay. So what is soil conservation? First question. You can write this question in your science notebook. What is soil conservation? Okay, what is soil conservation? Let us see. The protection of soil from its erosion is called soil conservation or conservation of soil. You will underline this one. The protection of soil from its erosion is called conservation of soil. We can protect or conserve soil by the following ways. So what are the ways by which we can conserve the soil? Number 1, the number of trees planted should be more than the number of trees being cut down. So you have to plant more and more trees. Afforestation should be done. Okay. Number 2, we should grow different types of crops in the same field to maintain the fertility of soil. This is called crop rotation. We are growing different crops, different types of crops in the same field. Okay. Number 3, in open fields, trees or grass should be planted to prevent soil erosion because roots of trees hold the soil tightly. Number 4, floods causes soil erosion. So dams should be built to prevent floods. Okay. So you have to build dam to prevent the floods. Number 5, grazing animals like cows and goats should not be allowed to graze on the same area of land continuously for a long time because overgrazing reduces the fertility of soil. And number 6, last point, step farming and construction of embankments help to prevent soil erosion. See how the step farming is done. You have to do this way. So these are the different ways to conserve the soil erosion. To conserve the soil. Okay. So we have completed our chapter now. Okay. Understood everyone? I have told what I have told you. Yes or no? Okay. Now we will discuss. Okay. Now we will discuss the keywords. So I will rub here. I will rub the board. I will discuss keyword. Keyword, you know, keyword is your one-word answer. Okay. So I will discuss the keywords. Let us do. This is keywords. This is from page number 35. Keywords is your one-word answer. One word answer. Okay. How this one is coming? Suppose the question is give one word answer. Okay. Then I will give one sentence. Suppose I have given the topmost layer of the soil. The topmost layer of the soil. So your answer will be, you write the answer only. What is the answer? The topmost layer of the soil, it is topsoil. Okay. This way the answer will be given. Topsoil, one word only. You have to write the one word only. And another one, the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. You will write soil erosion. Then the uppermost layer of the earth that contains mineral, air, water and organic matter is called soil. This way, one word answer. So we have completed here one word answer. Now we will do the exercise. Okay, I will rub the board now. Okay, we will do the exercise. All of you are ready for the exercise? Yes or no? Yes, sir, not ma'am. What you are telling? Sorry. Yes. Switch off your front camera. Okay. So you will do this in your science book only, okay? Do this exercise in your science book. You will have a pencil with you. You should have a pencil with you. You will do it with pencil. Do not use pen. Okay? Exercise. Yes or no? Okay, very good. You will tell the answer. Okay? Number A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following soils is found in desert? Sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. Sandy soil. So you will tick mark sandy soil. Okay? Number 2. The soil that cannot hold much water is loamy soil, sandy soil, clay soil. It is sandy soil. Again sandy soil. Okay. Number 3. Strong winds and heavy rains cause deforestation, afforestation, soil erosion. Soil erosion. Yes. Soil erosion. You will tick mark soil erosion. Number 4. Loamy soil mainly contains sand and clay. Yes, sand and clay. Okay, it is completed now. Now we will go to number B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, rocks break down to form. Okay, rocks break down to form soil. So you will write the word soil, okay? In the blank you will write. Number 2, the removal of fertile topsoil is called, yes, is called soil erosion. Number 3, soil is composed of dash, sand and clay particles. It is gravel. Gravel, not loam. It is gravel. Number 4, protection of soil from its erosion is called soil conservation. Yes, very good. soil conservation. So number 1 is soil, fill in the blanks I am telling. Number 1 is soil, number 2 soil erosion, number 3 gravel, number 4 soil conservation. Okay, now we will go to match the following, then we will end our class. Okay, we'll do match the following. Oishila Pal, what are you doing? You are doing the exercise? Yes, very good. Okay, switch off your front camera. We'll do the match the following. So I will rub the board. Okay? Any problem? Anyone having problem? Okay. Okay. Okay, very good. Now we'll discuss the match the following. You can see page number 36, and all of you will do the number matching. Okay, no one will do line matching, number matching only will do. So number C, match the following. Yes, good. Column A, column B, okay. Number 1, first let me write, then I will tell you the answer. I will ask you the answer. Okay, crop rotation. Number 2 is clay soil. Okay, number 3 is loamy soil. Number 4 is floods. Number 5 is humus. Okay, now here number A, makes the soil fertile. Okay, number B, soil erosion. Okay, number C is soil conservation. Yes, soil conservation. Number D is contains sand and clay. Contains sand and clay. And number E, can hold a lot of water. Okay, now we'll do the match the following. Tell one by one. Crop rotation, soil conservation. Yes, soil conservation. Clay soil. Yes, can hold a lot of water. Last one. Okay, loamy soil contains sand and clay. Okay, okay. Then floods, soil erosion. Okay, humus makes the soil fertile. So crop rotation, soil conservation, clay soil can hold a lot of water, loamy soil contains sand and clay, floods, soil erosion, humus makes the soil fertile. So your answer is 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. Okay? All of you have done? Okay. Supratik, you have done your work. Yes. So that's all for today's class. Okay? Next day we will continue with the exercise, with the question answer. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone and goodbye. Bye bye. Yes, yes. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.